What's up, guys? It's a moment I've been waiting for. Just got my order in the mail from Oxbow Gear. I'm pretty excited to crack this thing open and see what we got. All right, y'all. Let's open this thing up. Oh boy. The first thing on top, got these super slick Oxbow decals. Make sure you get on the website, get some order for yourself. Come in all kinds of different colors. We got black ones, we got super cool American flag ones, and the white ones. All right, cool. Check that out. With the new Oxbow Renegade X. You guys can see, get that two-way with Bluetooth. So this would be really cool if you got the in-helmet Bluetooth. You guys can link those up. Be able to talk almost hands-free. We also got these vertical mounts. These go on really nice on your strap, on your Abby packs or backpacks or whatever you guys choose. Got some swag, cool t-shirts, right? Pretty slick looking hat right here. So you'll definitely be seeing this on the mountain this season. So pretty excited about that. So what else we got here? Also got GoPro compatible helmet light. This thing is gonna be really, really nice on those dark nights, or even, you know, low light evenings getting back to the truck. So pretty excited about that as well. All right, so let's move on to getting these radios unboxed. All right, y'all, like I said, we got this Oxbow Gear Renegade X two-way radio with Bluetooth capabilities, right? So, I mean, you guys can hook this thing up to your headphones, earbuds, your intercom systems, your push-to-talk systems. Anything that's Bluetooth compatible, you can use with this radio. Super cool. Some technical specs on the back. So obviously, super rainproof, waterproof. This thing has a 36+ hour battery life, which is pretty insane. And the range, I mean, you've got a range from 1 to 5 miles in the mountains, and a line of sight 25+ miles, which is pretty crazy, right? And the cool thing about, you know, these radios is you don't have to use them just for snowmobile season. If you guys are dirt biking in the summer, you know, out hunting, right? Four-wheeling, whatever, right? These things are coming really handy when it comes to doing stuff like that. So let's dig in and see what we got here. All right, so first impression, this thing just looks super rugged, super durable, nice, easy to find buttons on the front, you know, lockable, Bluetooth, so that, and you can turn off the Bluetooth on these things too. So if you want to disable that for whatever reason, that is also a possibility. So nice push to talk here, should be pretty easy to find with your gloves on. I mean, just pretty slick radio. You've also got hookups here on the side for your mic if you choose something, you know, to go that route. So super nice digital display on the front. I really like the green personally, right? So that's pretty cool. So what else we got? All right, we got, so this is a different style mounting location. This is designed to go around the strap, where the one from earlier, this is more designed for hooking onto the webbing or whatever, if you got a vest or something like that. So a couple different mounting opportunities here. So super versatile, pretty cool. This thing right here, I mean, nowadays, most of the time you got to buy one of these separate. So it's pretty cool that it comes in the package, and nice charging cable here as well. So make sure you guys get on the website, oxbowgear.com, get that radio ordered so it can be at your door before it's time to go riding. All right, y'all. Got the GoPro mount compatible helmet light here. Some details on the back here. This thing puts out 2100 lumens. That's crazy, right? That's gonna be a pretty decent amount of light that you're putting out, and most of the time you're gonna really need it, right? So super cool. Like I said, GoPro mount compatible, rechargeable. It does have 3 power modes, right? So you got your low, medium, and high. You know, so you don't want to be blinding the guy in front of you, or if if you're meeting people on the trail and stuff too. So that's a pretty cool feature. This thing has a 3+ hour runtime on full power, so on that highest setting. But down on your lower setting, you've got 10+ hours of use in this recharge, on one recharge on this thing. So that is pretty cool. Another cool feature, it does have a battery level indicator, so it will start telling you, when that battery's getting low. So let's dig in and see what's inside. First thing, super cool carry case. Got the nice Oxbow in the front. Looks like it's pretty waterproof, so that'd be nice. You can store this thing in your, in your tunnel bag, or glove box or seat bag, or backpack, wherever you want. Super easily accessible. Check this thing out. Right, this thing looks super cool. It's gonna be super low profile, right? It's not gonna be sticking way up high on your helmet. So it'll be nice for you boondockers, right, like myself. Nice button on the back here. Should be nice and easy to find with your gloves on, so that'll be nice. Pretty decent cord here on the back that will, eventually hook up to your battery pack there. Battery pack comes with this pretty cool kind of arm strap, right? If that's where you choose to mount it. Some guys just, put them in their backpack. You can also kind of strap it on the outside of your backpack if that's what you choose. But possibilities are endless, right? So whatever works best for you, this thing will support it. So pretty cool. It is, like I said, rechargeable. You just pop it out of the case here and hook it up and charge it. Comes with a couple different stick-on mounts. So if your helmet doesn't, have the little screw-on GoPro mount on top, these are always an option. Got the nice little slide-in, click-in mount right there. Slide into those mounts. Comes with the screw, right? So you can tighten that thing down, get it adjusted where you like it. We got a little extension cable here, so you can hook it up in between your light and your battery pack. Depending on where you decide you want to mount it, you got a little extra there, so you're not getting snagged up. And obviously, it's got the charging cable here with that. So some guys, like myself, I actually have the charger, USB charger in my glove box, right? So, say I forget to charge it for whatever reason, I can just throw this thing in, throw it in the glove box, and I can be charging it, when I still have good light. That way it can be ready for when it gets dark, right? So super cool there. If you guys like anything, that I unboxed today, make sure you guys get up on oxbowgear.com and get them ordered. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks, guys.